Arunil now joining us. JVC, I'll come to you. Arunil now joining us. There's unrest, Swati, in the UBT camp.
And I believe the Congress has already put the blame on the UBT, saying that we could have contested on more seats, but Uddhav Thackeray took seats from the Congress. Arunil, what's the update? Fight has begun.
Well, that is right, Swati. Basically, the debacle for the Maha Vikas Aghadi, unexpected, one can say. It mounts pressure on the three alliance partners of the Maha Vikas Aghadi as well. The Congress basically is trying to pin the blame on Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena, saying that Uddhav Thackeray, particularly Sanjay Raut, during the seat sharing agreements, when the meetings were taking place, they were very aggressive. They were constantly asking for tickets where the Congress party was strong. When they took the ticket, unfortunately, they couldn't win it for the Maha Vikas Aghadi. So yes, the blame has been particularly put on the Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena party. At present, I'm reporting from Devendra Fadnavis's residence. Here as well, Swati, a massive movement has been taking place. Significant developments basically taking place. Chandrasekhar Bawankure, Maharashtra BJP chief, is inside. Piyush Goyal is inside, the union minister, as well as several key leaders from Maharashtra BJP are inside at present. This is BJP's best performance till now, at least if we go by the trends. Best performance till now in Maharashtra state polls. BJP obviously will be pushing for the CM post. Whether Devendra Fadnavis will be made CM for the second time, Eknath Shinde camp is also very buoyant about the fact they have also got very good numbers as compared to Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena. But the BJP is close to the magic figure of 145. If they singularly also can form the government with the help of independents, but obviously they will be taking their alliance partners together, and what basically the BJP High Command in Delhi decides, that will be very, very crucial.
But look, we are not one bit surprised by the kind of commentary from Sanjay Raut. In fact, I am only expecting this narrative to be now echoed by more in the parties across the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi. Sujata Pandey also with us. What do you think of the numbers?
So, if I have to sum it up, I'll just say something like RSS plus BJP is equal to this result, or let's say all the Assembly Haryana including RSS minus BJP was the Lok Sabha result. So, if I am allowed, I would say like that, if BJP and RSS has to be summed up, the relationship, it is like हमारे दोस्ती का ये हिसाब है साहब कि अगर दो में से एक भी निकल जाए तो कुछ बचता नहीं है. तो there is a three, it's not just बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. So BJP went back to the drawing room. It said, okay, these are the reasons. I have a problem in Vidarbha, I have a problem in Marathwada, majorly. Now, how do I counter Marathwada's problem? Is that because there's already a reservation thing going on? And Jarange Patil was going on only targeting Devendra Fadnavis, in spite of the fact that Devendra Fadnavis is the only chief minister who gave Maratha reservation during his regime. Right. But then they went back, said, okay, let me do counter polarization. So they went back and said, okay, nowadays let's do Madhav.
Consolidation, non-Maratha.
Non-Maratha. Now Vidarbha, they knew that they had problem. So all their even tall leaders concentrated to their particular constituency.
Lokesh, you'll have to answer that question. I'll come to you. Let's quickly bring in Rakesh. Rakesh is outside the NCP office, Ajit Pawar camp. Yes, Rakesh, क्या हो रहा है वहाँ?
Yes, Ganesh.
Rakesh, if you can hear us, go ahead.
राकेश बताइए क्या हो रहा है? ढोल तो शुरू हो गए वहाँ.
बिल्कुल, यहाँ पे देखिए नाचने लग गए हैं. ये अजीत पवार गुट के नेता हैं और एनसीपी का ये दफ्तर है. ढोल नगाड़े यहाँ पे बजने शुरू हो गए और शहनाई भी बज गई है. मुझे बताइए, लोग अजीत पवार को अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहे थे, बोले थे 10 रुपये में सीधी नहीं आएगी.
आज उनको अजीत दादा की ताकत समझ में आई होगी. जिन्होंने अंडर एस्टिमेट किया था, जिन्होंने अजीत दादा को कोसा था, आज उनको अजीत दादा की ताकत दिखा रही है. अजीत दादा के पीछे जनता का आशीर्वाद किस तरह से उनको आज दिखाई दे रहा है.
अभी तो ये डाउट नहीं है ना किसी को कि वो दादा वापस से जाएंगे, पवार में नहीं जाएंगे.
अभी हमको डाउट है कि वो हमारे साथ में आएंगे. दादा कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, दादा यही रहेंगे. दादा राष्ट्रवादी के नेता है, नेता ही रहेंगे.
बीजेपी को 125 से ज्यादा मिले, अगर फडणवीस मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे तो चलेगा? दादा को आपको
नहीं, भारतीय जनता, मैं राष्ट्रवादी का का कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते मेरी इच्छा है कि अजीत दादा महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री बने।
कैसे बनेंगे? 55 से 30-35 सीट हो गए सर।
मेरी कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते इच्छा है, मगर महायुति के नेता जो भी निर्णय लेंगे वो हम सब उसको मिलकर काम करेंगे।
यानी फडणवीस का भी नाम है।
पवार डेप्यूटी सीएम बने रहेंगे, व्हाट डू दे थिंक?
हमने महायुति विकास के लिए साथ में आए, तो विकास के लिए हम लोग साथ में
अजीत
रहेंगे।
पवार डेप्यूटी सीएम बने रहेंगे, इस बात पे यकीन है आपको? कम से कम
थोड़ा देर रुकिए, अजीत दादा सीएम भी आपको दिखेंगे।
ये अच्छा गोल यहाँ पे तो बन गए।
Okay, the supporters obviously enthused by the number, Swati.
Absolutely. And
You
in
have-
fact, we have that latest
Yes.
picture also coming in. And remember, Pranesh, Ajit Pawar was called a liability after the Lok Sabha results. They said he was a liability, which clearly he is not. I'll come to you for reactions, but we have some breaking inputs coming in. It's a massive sweep, a saffron surge in Maharashtra for the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Mahayuti, and now we're given to understand there's going to be a key meeting on the 25th of November, perhaps now to decide what's going to happen next in terms of the top position.
Mohit is joining us. Yes, Mohit.
एक सेकंड हटना अरे यहाँ से जाने दो, यहाँ से बेटा
Okay, all
He's
right.
standing by for Chief Minister Eknath Shinde to give his first reactions after these numbers. But Lokesh, you know, Anish was talking about agrarian distress, other issues on the ground. Number में तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा.
Well, those issues were there, very much there, with respect to the procurement of soybean as well as the agrarian distress, especially amongst the farmers. But let me tell you, there is this culture of institutional bribe that is emerging. Just prior to the election, there is a Ladki Bahin Yojana. And what the state does is,
नहीं, एक मिनट,
irrespective,
Lokesh, I will have to.
with
मैं
the
इसीलिए- no,
CAG,
1 minute.
even
I am
raising the
interrupting
red
you
flag.
because you know what the MBA promised.
3,000.
ब्राइब बढ़ा के देंगे हम ज्यादा रिश्वत देंगे हम नहीं
What I
क्रिटिसाइज
say is, despite the CAG raising the red flags, the central government,
after
as
the
well as
EC,
agencies
EVM,
of
CAG.
justice,
Now, come
the
on.
Supreme Court
Lokesh,
must come on this side.
address the most fundamental question. Last evening we were here, JVC था,
Yes, certainly.
मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, अब उसके उनके साथ उनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर दीजिए. शिंदे, let's
Okay,
listen
Shinde
to
speaking.
एक
अशा प्रकारचा विजय या ठिकाणी महायुतीला मिळालेला आहे. मी त्याबद्दल तमाम मतदारांचे महाराष्ट्रातल्या मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो आणि माझ्या लाडक्या बहिणी यांचं देखील मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. लाडक्या बहिणींनी मोठ्या प्रमाणावर मतदान केलं
I also am thanking the beneficiaries of the Ladki Bahin Yojana, the women voters who voted for the Mahayuti.
आणि त्याचबरोबर लाडक्या माझ्या ज्येष्ठांनी मतदान केलं. समाजातल्या प्रत्येक घटकाने या ठिकाणी भरभरून महायुतीला मतदान केलं. गेले 2-2.5 वर्ष जे महायुतीने काम केलं त्या कामाची पोचपावती या निवडणुकीमध्ये जनतेने दिली आणि म्हणून महाराष्ट्रातल्या जनतेला मी पुन्हा एकदा त्यांच्या मनापासून आभार मानतो, त्यांना मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो की पूर्णपणे जे काम आम्ही केलं 2.5 वर्षामध्ये त्याचं मोजमाप नोंद आणि
I thank the voters of Maharashtra. This mandate is a stamp of approval from the people of Maharashtra on the work that we have done in the state of Maharashtra.
काम केलं. आता पुढच्या कार्यकाळामध्ये आमची आणखी जबाबदारी वाढली आहे आणि म्हणून जनतेला त्रिवार वंदन करतो आणि माझ्या सर्व कार्यकर्त्यांना देखील महायुतीच्या मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो. महायुतीचे सर्व कार्यकर्ते मनापासून काम करत होते आणि म्हणूनच हा विजय एवढा मोठा.
Thank you to all the voters and also the Karyakartas of the Mahayuti. I bow down before the people of Maharashtra and promise that this has only put more responsibility on our shoulders and we'll continue our good work.
की खूप मोठ्या लीडने मार्जिनने त्यांनी मला विजयी करण्याचं काम करतायत आणि त्यामुळे मी पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांना मनापासून खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. मनापासून सगळ्यांचं सर्व मतदारांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन.